Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aryan. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Let's wait for others to join.
Ma'am, Ramadan Kareem, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
It, let's wait for for a few minutes for others to join.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, Sitsri. Okay, let's begin, all of you. Good evening, all of you children. Please on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, on your camera, please. Siddhisri. How are you, dear?
Fine.
Good, good. Good evening. Okay, we are going to do parts of speech today. Okay, so keep your notebook ready for to take up the notes. Okay, we are going to do parts of speech today. All of you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, like you see, what is the parts? What are the parts of speech? Now, first of all, every sentence. Every sentence has many different types of words together make a sentence, right? And every sentence, every word in a sentence has its job to do, right? So there are 8 parts of a speech. First is the verb. And like, what is the verb? What is the verb does? The verb tells you about what happens in a sentence. It tells you about action words. Okay, let me tell you now in detail about. Let's do about verb. So verbs are action words in a sentence. Okay, that describe what the subject is doing. Okay, now now here we have an example here. The Dylan plays tennis 3 times a week. Okay, now can you tell me the action here? What is the action, Abhinav? What?
Can you repeat now? Your voice was stuck.
This sentence is there. Dylan plays tennis. Like, Dylan
Ma'am, tennis
plays.
is action.
Plays is action.
Tennis is not action. Plays
Plays is
Play.
tennis.
action.
Yes.
Play is action. Yes. Okay. So this is action. And who's the subject?
Tennis.
Who's the
Dylan.
subject? Dylan is the subject. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now everybody understand? And what is he doing? He's doing an action. What he's doing? He plays tennis. So the plays is the action. So this is the verb. Okay. Now what type of verb is it? It is an active verb. Or what kind of verb you can say?
Active verb.
Could you show that notes, ma'am, where we have to?
Yeah.
Okay.
So whenever we see whatever we see the action, right? So like Dylan plays tennis, and if I say there's another example I'm giving. I am a teacher. Where is the subject here?
Subject is
Aryan?
Dylan.
I.
No. In this sentence, the subject is
Teacher.
I.
Sorry,
This is
I.
the subject. Okay. Now, what is the subject telling? Subject is telling I am a teacher. So this is the object. This is the verb. Okay. It is here this is stating. We are giving a statement. We are telling something about the subject. I am a teacher. Okay. So this is am is the be verb. Okay, now here place is the active. It is showing an action. So this is an active verb. Okay. So we are not going to go into very detail about a verb. I will take a special class for verbs. Okay. Now just understand this is the first important part of the parts of speech, that is verb. Next is we have noun. What is noun? Anybody? You people are in 10th.
Like which
Ma'am,
defines a
noun.
person, like a name, place, animal, place.
Yeah, very good. It is a word that tells us about a person, place, animal, thing, even a feeling, even an idea. Okay, so we have an example here. Rosie went to Malta on vacation with her family last year. Okay, let me write this here. Tell me the noun.
Ma'am, Roji and Malta.
Yeah, Rosie, Malta, and
Family.
huh?
Family.
Family. Good, very good. And one more is there.
Vacation.
Year.
You are very soft. Year, yes. Good.
And
One
does
more is there.
vacation count?
Vacation. Okay. So these are all nouns. Okay. Rosie is a person. Yeah. Malta is a place, name of a place. Vacation. It is a it is the name of a trip, right? We can even say I went on a pilgrim. So pilgrim is also noun because it is a name of a trip. Okay, now family. Family is a group of people who are related to each other. And year, it is the number of days that are to get formed together into a year. So these are all nouns. Next is we have pronoun. Okay. What is a pronoun? Anybody can tell me?
Ma'am, pronoun is a word which takes the place of a noun, like I, we, and yo.
Very good. Very good. So let me give you an example of a pronoun. So like you said, pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition and to make our speech sound more natural. Like, let me give you an example. Okay, let me give you an example. This is the example that we're going to take. Melvin is at the movies with, okay. At the movies with Melvin's girlfriend. And the second sentence is Melvin enjoys spending time with Melvin's girlfriend. Do you find something strange in this? First of all, Melvin is a noun, right? Is a person. Yeah.
Yes, no.
Okay. So now
Ma'am,
there is
instead
something
of
different here.
Ma'am, instead of Melvin can be used his.
he, like he and his.
See, there is a repetition here. Melvin is at the movies with Melvin's girlfriend. Melvin enjoys spending with the time with Melvin's girlfriend, right? So this is sounding very kind of stupid. Okay, it is sounding it's a very
Not right.
stupid. So yeah, not right. So here, what are we going to do? Melvin is at the movies with his girlfriend, right? And instead of repeating Melvin again, we know we are talking about Melvin. He really enjoys spending time with her. Okay. Now I want you to notice that the pronoun he is in the subject position, and he is the subject of the verb enjoy. Yeah. This is the verb enjoy. Now who is enjoying here? Who enjoys? He enjoys. Okay. So the subject is Melvin. The subject is he and his, right? So and the pronoun her is in the object position. We are talking about who? We're talking about the action is happening where? On the object. She is there with him, right? She is the object here. Her is the object. And the pronoun her is in the object position. Now, to replace a noun with the subject position, like Melvin, for example, we use what is called subject pronouns. Now, these are subject pronouns. Okay. What are the subject pronouns? I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay. Now to replace a noun with the object position, guess what we can use? We can use me, you, us, them, him, her, it. Okay. Now there are other pronouns in English such as his, her, this, that, etc. But we will talk about them in more details when we come to the lesson pronoun. Okay, so this is where I'm just explaining a small brief about the parts of the speech. So you understand what is pronoun, right? It replaces the noun to avoid repetition and to make our speech sound more natural. All of you got it? If you all want to make notes, please make note of this parts of speech from the starting. I'll hold on. When you finish verb and noun, then I will scroll down. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Are you done?
Yeah, sharply say so.
Okay, let us do up some for practice. Now, Shyam is my brother. Are you people noting?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all done?
Aman, madam.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Let us do the answers now. Shyam is my brother. Who is going to give the answer? Give me the answer. Meher, try.
Who?
Shyam is my brother.
Jan is my brother who studies in my class, in the same class.
I want pronoun here. Okay. Anybody else?
Shyam
Aryan?
is my brother. We study in the same class.
Yes. We study. We is a pronoun. Okay, like I told you here. Where is it? Yeah. This is the subject pronoun. That is we. Okay. Now between Ritu and me, dash, am the younger one.
I.
Sudhamshu?
It's I am the younger one.
Huh?
I am the
I didn't hear
younger.
you. I am the
Younger
younger
one.
one. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, now you try, Meher. Do you see this book with my name on it? It is
Mine.
mine. Good. Miss Gwen is our new class teacher. Blank is very sweet.
She.
She.
She. Very good. Good, Sichri. Okay. This one is also, you also have to answer. Okay, Sichri? While cutting vegetables, Mitu cut Yeah.
Herself.
Okay,
Herself.
Meher.
Herself.
Mitu cut herself. Okay. The jury got divided among
Themselves.
themselves because jury is never one. Okay. Jury is more than, I think, more than 5 people. So among themselves. Okay. I'm coming to.
Please
Please
wait for me.
wait
For me.
For me.
for me. Very good. Nobody but
I.
dash was present.
Nobody
I
but
was.
I was.
He was present.
Nobody but he was present, or you can say she was present. Dash book is better than the other.
This
This
book.
book is
This
better.
book.
Yeah,
That
this book.
Mindset.
Okay, that book is better than the other. It is often we refer to this book, something that is near us. Is the mug
Yours.
Yours.
They.
Yours.
yours? Very good. It was on your table. Is the mug yours? Okay. So now are we all clear with what is
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. Now let me give you the another one. Adjective. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is an adjective?
Adjective is a word which describes the noun.
Very good. An adjective is a word that gives us information about the noun or pronoun, or it can say it describes the noun and the or the pronoun. Okay, now let's have a look at a sentence here. They drive an amazing big red sports car. Okay, they drive
Amazing is the adjective.
an amazing big red car. Okay, now tell me the adjectives here.
Amazing big
Amazing.
red.
Amazing big red.
Okay, amazing is there, big is there, and red is there. These are all describing the car that they are driving, right? Okay, now here that we are interested in is in the car. So can you identify all the adjectives that we have done? Amazing big sports car. So now if you're okay, so what is the now what are we asking? The first of all, if I ask you a question, what is your opinion of the car? The answer is amazing. What size is the car? It is big. Now, what color is the car? It is red. Now, what type of the car is it? It is sports car. Now, if you notice that there is more than one adjective to the sentence, and that is in the word "and." Okay, like you say, it is an amazing. It is an amazing car, and not a amazing car. It is an amazing. Now the words a and now these are the articles. Okay, so the articles are also adjectives which give an information about the noun. So how many cars are there? It is one car. That's why he said it is an car. Okay, it is an amazing big red sports car. Okay. So in the same way, now adjective gives us information about nouns and pronouns, and they answer questions like what type, what color, what size, etc. Okay. Let me see if I can find you an exercise to go with adjectives.
Ma'am, if the word describes an object, is it an adjective?
Yeah. Okay, let me give you the exercise here. Okay. You have to circle the adjectives. Okay, now the first one, just make note of this.
Ma'am, just for curiosity, ma'am, when does the class end?
It will end at 40. We have 40 minutes
40.
class. So we have only 2-3 minutes. Let's quickly answer this. What is the answer to the first one? The homeless beggar hasn't eaten in days.
Homeless.
Homeless and days.
Homeless, okay. The fox is a sly animal.
Sly.
Sly.
Sly, yeah. Okay, now Mary had a little lamb.
Little.
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 Little, okay. The selfish giant didn't allow the children to enter his garden.
Selfish.
Selfish giant.
Selfish.
Who said giant?
Can ma'am, like the giant can also, you know.
No, we are describing what type of giant, who, what type is it? So he is selfish. Okay, so it is
And
not
also
giant,
he's
only
giant,
selfish.
right? Also he's giant.
Yeah,
He,
you can say
he is
because
giant.
he is big. Yeah, yeah. In that way, it is yes. Okay, the foolish dog barked at its own reflection and lost its food.
Foolish.
Foolish.
Good. The family didn't have enough food for the winter.
Enough.
Enough.
Enough. The girl is a state level boxer.
State level.
State level.
Yes.
State level. Okay, the brave army marched through the streets.
Brave.
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 Brave, okay. I had no idea such a fantastic place existed.
Fantastic.
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 Very good. Some oranges are pretty sour.
Pretty.
Pretty sour. Sour describes the orange and so does pretty.
Some. Okay.
Ma'am, why can't pretty and sour be?
Even pretty is there.
Pretty sour, like pretty sour.
Okay.
Pretty sour is like
Sour.
correlating one word.
Yeah. Even sour can be there. You think so?
Yes, ma'am.
Well,
Yes, ma'am. Pretty sour.
it is some.
It's not like pretty and sour. They're just pretty and pretty sour. So we have to include sour
Pretty
too.
will be there, but I don't think sour will be there.
Sour describes the orange taste.
You all
Right,
have you have noted all this?
yes, ma'am.
If not, I'll send you the notes. We have done verbs, we've done nouns, we have done pronouns, and we've done adjectives. 4. So we have about 4 parts of speech left. Fine. And we will continue this in the next class. And okay, so I will send you a homework also for your practice. Fine.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Good night, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.